Right guys, this is my shitty bike check. Gonna start off at the top, proper team grips. They're fucking bollocks. Get them off Kenny down the park because I'm a poor bastard. Cut them into three because I had a pair before and they ripped. These ones had also ripped, so I put them together with fucking super glue. Mike Hodder bars, haven't cut them down, not a faggot. What's the point in buying big bars if you're going to cut them? Proper top load stem. Right there, look. You like that? I like that. 20 Bike Co. headset. It's probably not 20 bearings in it. Probably just random. Relentless logo there. Cut out by tin when it was raining the other day. Federal forks, 2020. They're alright. Primo tyre. The E-Comet, not bad. Proper full front wheel. 2 Odyssey pegs on the front. They're fucking shit, by the way. Wouldn't go for Odyssey pegs ever again. $1 million sprocket. Twin bolts. Sealed Odyssey pedals. Sabrosa bitchin' bottom bracket. Fucking well too expensive for what it is. Odyssey rear hub. Left hand drive, as you can see. Another two Odyssey pegs. Proper rim. YBN chain. Nice one, guys. That was my bike check for 2011. Now fuck off and ride your bike instead of lurking YouTube.